You see these lemon bars? Well, they have a secret. They're made with just 3 ingredients. This recipe makes no sense at all, but we're going to show you how 2 simple ingredients, 3 if you want to add the sugar, come together for some perfect lemon bars. It literally makes no sense. Everyone's going to be asking you for this recipe, and you can decide if you want to share it or not. But lucky for you, I'm sharing it today. 21 ounces lemon pie filling, 16 ounces angel food cake. Mix them. This is dangerous. Ooh. All right, we're gonna pop it in the oven for 30 minutes at 350, but go off the golden brownness. Okay, it's been about 35 minutes and it's perfectly golden brown on the outside and still nice and pale in the middle. That's exactly how we want it. We're gonna let this cool for about half an hour to an hour, and then we're gonna come back in with our powdered sugar. This is optional, but I highly recommend it. And I'm serious. Let it cool. All right, they're nice and cooled down. It's been about 45 minutes or so. We're gonna cut them first and then dust them with powdered sugar, so each square will be perfect. Okay, we're gonna cut these babies just like brownies, but you cut them however big you want. All right, now that we got them cut, let's get them dusted up. All right, moment of truth. Let's go in for a perfect square. I'm thinking this one right here. Ooh, there we go. All right, check it out. Beautiful lemon square. Smells really, really citrusy. Oh yeah, it's nice and velvety. Let's go ahead and give it a bite. Wow. This is amazing. Honestly, it's hard to believe this is only 3 simple ingredients. This honestly feels like, you put some time into this. So if you bring this somewhere, you're gonna be very, very popular. This is absolutely fantastic. If you enjoyed this ridiculously easy dessert hack, do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe and notification bell, because I'm always looking for the next recipe to show you guys, and I can't wait to show you what I find next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.